let me ask you something slightly scary. Have you ever felt like AI is slowly learning everything you do at work? It writes emails, creates reports, builds schedules, and now you're wondering, wait, is this thing coming for my job? Especially if you're a project manager. Because let's be honest, half our job already sounds like something AI can do. But here's the twist. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to expose how you've been working. And that's where things get interesting. This is the question every PMO leader is quietly thinking. Will AI replace project managers? Short answer. No. But P. Uluthis, it will replace project managers who refuse to evolve. That's the real conversation. Let's clear some myths, because fear spreads faster than facts. Myth 1. AI will replace PMs completely. Reality? AI replaces tasks, not judgment. Myth 2. PM skills are becoming useless. Actually, human skills like negotiation, empathy, and influence just became premium features. AI can process data, but it still can't handle a difficult stakeholder on Monday morning. Let's break it down honestly. AI can update schedules, generate reports, track risks, even assign resources. Basically, all the things you secretly didn't enjoy doing. But here's what AI cannot do. Build trust, handle conflict, motivate a tired team, make decisions with incomplete data. AI is great with logic. Humans are required for chaos. The role of PM is not disappearing. It's upgrading. Earlier, PM was a task tracker. Now, PM becomes an AI orchestrator. In the future, PM becomes a strategic leader. Less Excel, more decision making. Less chasing updates, more driving outcomes. Basically, from where is the status to here's the business impact. Let's talk survival skills. First, AI literacy. If you don't understand AI, you'll compete with people who do. Second, stakeholder mastery, because AI cannot build relationships. Third, strategic thinking, connecting project work to business outcomes. And most important, adaptability, because the only thing changing faster than AI is expectations. Now let's zoom out to PMO level. Earlier PMOs were busy collecting updates, building reports, and chasing status. Now, AI does that in seconds. So PMO shifts from reporting center to decision center. And in the future, PMO becomes a value engine, where insights drive strategy, not spreadsheets. Let's talk numbers. 37% of PM tasks can already be automated. Projects are delivered more than twice as fast with AI. And report preparation time cut by 60%. So if you're still manually updating Excel, AI is not your threat. Your workflow is. Here's the truth. AI will not replace project managers, but it will replace those who ignore it. Think of AI like a super smart assistant. If you use it, you become faster, smarter, and more valuable. If you don't, you become replaceable. This slide is your reality check. List all your daily tasks. Now ask, can AI do this? If yes, automate it. If no, that's your real value. Your goal is simple. Let AI do the work so you can do the thinking. Let's make this practical. First 30 days. Understand AI and assess your work. Next 30, start using tools and automate tasks. Final 30, optimize and lead. If done right, you save 8 hours per week. That's one full working day. Every week. Imagine what you can do with that. If this video changed how you see AI, hit like, because more PMs need to hear this. Subscribe to PMO Champion for practical real-world PMO insights that actually help your career grow. And tell me in the comments, which part of your job do you wish AI would take over first? See you in the next video.